that you sow today will bear fruits tomorrow. So if you start working from now, you will definitely see the results in your 50s and 60s. You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. Yoga leads not only towards healthy mind, but also healthy body. Yoga is a mind and body practice. Various styles of yoga combine physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation or relaxation. Without much ado, let's watch our wonderful children perform yoga.
Children, keep your eyes closed. With home chanting, we are going to start our yoga session today. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your body, relax your mind. Breathe in. And with exhalation, we are going to say Om. Once again, breathe in. Now, Shanti Mantra. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvina Vadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly open your eyes. With Surya Namaskar, students are going to demonstrate few postures over here. One, two. With exhalation, come forward. Three. Inhale, number 4. Exhale, go back. 5. Number 6, with normal breathing. Number 7, again inhale. Exhale with 8. Number 9, again inhale. 10 with exhalation. 11, raise your arms off. And 12. Lie down slowly on your back. We all are going to practice Chakrasana. Relax your whole body and mind. Fold both the legs. Fold both arms. Keep it. Very nice. 1. Raise your body. With inhalation, expand your lungs. Stretch your abdomen and contract your back muscles. Slowly come down. Very nice. Relax your posture. Turn towards left and sit down slowly. We have to follow a forward bending posture, that is Paschimottanasana. Inhale, raise your arms off. With exhalation, bend forward and touch the toes. Very nice. Again, slowly raise your arms up. With exhalation, bend forward and hold your toes. Last round, with inhalation, raise your arms up. So sweet. Bend forward with exhalation and hold your toes. Okay, slowly come to waist pose, starting position. Relax your posture. Now we are going to practice Vajrasana, the most important asana for the digestive system. Bend your right leg first, sit over your right hip, then follow with the left leg. Turn both the big toes and sit in between both the heel. Open your heel. Slowly keep your eyes closed. Gently close your eyes. Head, neck, spine in a straight line. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Breathe in normally. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Your inhalation should be deep. Breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. We are going to follow Gomukhasana. Relax your posture. Release both the legs. Now we all are going to practice Gomukhasana, the posture related to cow. Bend your respective legs. Raise your arms. Hold it at your back. Look front. Keep your spine straight. Keep your eyes closed. Eyes closed. Close your eyes. It is very good for your lower part of your body. It is good for your leg joints. It expands your lungs. Very nice. You can breathe normally. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly remove your posture. Now we are going to practice our last asana, that is Simhasana, that is otherwise you can say it lion pose. Come to Vajrasana. All of you come to Vajrasana. Separate both the knees. Separate both the knees. Put your palm in front of you, fingers pointing towards the body. Very nice. And stay on both the palm. You have to take rest on both the palm. Keep your eyes closed. Look at the sky. Turn your head. Tilt your head back. Very nice. Keep your eyes closed. With Shanti Mantra, we are going to finish this class. You have to stay for the Shanti Mantra. Just close your eyes and don't remove the posture. Om Sarvesam Swastir Bhavatu